All right, let's find the bearing of Bianca's home from the gym where she is right now. We want to find that bearing. So let me just read you the question. Bianca leaves her home and cycles due north 12 kilometers, then 7 kilometers due west. So what we want to know is what is the bearing of her home from the gym to the nearest degree. So we don't want degrees in minutes, just degrees. That's all we want. So let's see what we have. So we want to find this bearing here, which is the true north bearing clockwise to there, to this direction down to H. This is her home down there. This is G for her gym where she is right now. So what we have is we don't have any angles, but we do have this distance 7 and the distance there 12. And we do know that that has to be a right angle because east-west is perpendicular or at right angles to north-south, and that's a north-south line. East-west, that's a right angle triangle. Given that it's a right angle triangle, we can use trigonometric ratios in order to find an angle in between here. So the angle we want to find first off is this angle there, theta. Because if we find that angle there, all we have to do is add it to this quadrant there, which is 90 degrees. So it's 90 degrees plus that angle, and that'll give us the bearing clockwise from north down towards her home from the gym, as I just showed you. So let's work that angle out. So that angle has got an opposite of 12 kilometers, and adjacent to its side, it's got 7 kilometers. So we're going to use trigonometric ratios. So tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. And that equals, what's our opposite? Our opposite is 12 all over adjacent, which is 7. So tan theta equals 12 over 7. So let's just put it like that, 12 over 7 here. And let's shift tan or inverse tan so we can work out what the actual angle theta is. So theta equals tan inverse 12 over 7. So we put that in our calculator. So shift tan or inverse tan, 12 over 7, that's going to give us a value of, for the angle, theta is going to equal, and you press degrees minutes, it's going to be 59 degrees and 45 minutes. Rounds up to 45 minutes. Now we want it to the nearest degree. If you look at the minutes, it's 45. 45 is above 30. Anything above 30, you round up. So 45 is going to round that up from 59 to 60 degrees. So it's rounded up to the nearest degree. So theta equals 60 degrees. Okay, that's our theta right there. So let me put it in. 60 degrees. So if that's 60 degrees there, all we have to do is add it to this right angle here, that quadrant, that's a right angle. Add that to that, and we have ourselves a true bearing. So let's add those two guys up together. So the true bearing is 90 degrees plus the 60 degrees we just worked out. 0, 0, 0, 9 and 6 is 15. 150 degrees true north. So the bearing along all the way across here, the bearing equals 150 degrees true. Put a T there. So 150 all the way across there. So let me just point that out. 150 degrees true north, the bearing of H, her home, from the gym. Thanks for watching.